it's a hot one already. I'm already sweating. So look, long story short, man, new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm on some A2 shit today. You know what I'm saying? My boy Tuesday probably need to pull up on me. But long story short, you know, you meet people, man, and you know, certain people be good for you. You know what I'm saying? So long story short, I know y'all remember probably about a week or two ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, 18-wheeler got pulled up on me. You know what I'm saying? We fixed this little battery cable on the 18-wheeler. So now he pulled back up and said he got a motorcycle that ain't been running in a minute. So we finna pull up, man. He said I think it's been sitting up for like 2 years. You know what I'm saying? And we finna get it right. We finna get it right. We finna get it tight. And that, I'm thinking probably the carburetor and the gas tank, just like how we did on the Charger. And I'm gonna give y'all an update on the Charger too. But that's enough yapping and brapping. Make sure y'all drop me a like, drop me a comment, man. Y'all know I've been kind of half-ass drag gassing on these last few days. I haven't been vlogging, but I have been working. As we speak, I'm working on a black box, so I didn't get no footage off of that. But I'm finna start getting some footage when I get back. You know what I'm saying? Today, I'll get footage on that today. But right now, we're finna get on this damn motorcycle, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's up, it's stuck. Spam on the like button. Yiggity, yiggity, yo. Dang. One thing heavy when I put it on.
Yeah, be careful.
What they call that? Hernias? Nigga catch a hernia out here, man. Okay, yeah, so we got the motorcycle. What's up, kitty? You know you gotta show the animals love.
His name is Chester.
Chester?
Hey, Chester.
Be careful.
Be careful. Oh, shit. I know how they'll get. I heard the difference in his meow, so I was like, nah. What we got? What we got? The belts and the skirt.
A little project.
Yeah. You said it's been up under here for 2 years?
You feed him, you never protect him.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Yeah, that front tire is a little flat, but I believe it's just a little air.
Honda.
Honda VTX, what is this? 750.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we can get it right, man.
Do it.
All right, gang. So we got a Honda. What you said it is?
Honda, what is this, man? It's a Shadow 750.
A Shadow 750?
Yeah.
This is a nice looking bike. It's gonna clean up good.
It's just
You can
the
tell.
original, basically.
Yeah,
Do you
for
need
sure.
power here for the air compressor?
Yeah.
I can bring that for you.
Yeah, for sure. We can put a little air in the back side. Oh, no, the back is cool. Probably can put a little more. So yeah, gang, we finna do a bring back to life. Baby ain't been on the road since 2016. So we finna get her back running. You already know how we do, man. Y'all probably ain't know I do bikes, but y'all should know that. So we're gonna get this bike back on the road. Up and going, clean her up, see the throttle all moldy. You know what I'm saying? Do 120. Hey, Tuesday gonna have to holler at me. My boy Mike. You know what I'm saying? It's a 2008 Beast Night Ike. Alright, gang, so yeah, man, I'm gonna have to pull a quick one on this one because y'all know I got Unc in the shop. He got the street tune. The box sounding so healthy. Y'all know the box Chevy sounding so healthy. But we're gonna go and take this and get this thing running. Let me see. This is probably heavy, right? It ain't too bad. See where the key go. Unless it's this, I thought that's the gas tank. You see the spot for the key?
It's been a while.
Battery dead, dude.
The keys on it.
Okay.
I need keys, please.
All right.
Let me get you a strap.
That's a pretty easy thing loading this baby up. Oh, here we go. 2008 750 Honda Road Glide. Nah, I just fucking with you. I got a little strap. This little strap holds my tail. Because I don't know about these junks. So I know for a fact.
Did I say suave?
Not so suave.
Not so suave?
Nah, not so suave. Just gonna take it easy. I wanna tie something on it so it don't slide back, but it's like it's still on the road.
I don't think it's fine, right?
Yeah. That bitch like brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just tie
fall
something to
from
keep it
right.
right here. Do it like that. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, we good.
Suave.
It's over with. It's over with.
He-Man. You watching that He-Man?
Yeah, man. Long time ago. Them kids these days don't know about that.
He-Man is old stuff.
Yeah, man. Opened that thumb up real good, gang. You know what I'm saying?